All right, now part 4. All right, so part 4 says circle. Circle the correct form of the simple present tense verb. So vamos a circular la forma correcta del simple presente. What was that? I'll remind you because you probably don't remember. If you go back to page 204 of the book, it's about the simple present tense, which we discussed last week. The simple present tense is the verb that shows an action that is happening right now, or that happens regularly, or typically, or repeatedly. And it's a verb that is written in the regular form, like walk, walk, or play, play, but most of the time. But if you have a subject that is singular, like Sonia, my mom, or he, or she, or it, you're going to add an S to the verb. Okay, so este verbo en el simple presente es un verbo que es de una acción que está ocurriendo ahora, o de una acción que se repite regularmente, típicamente, o que pasa con regularidad, y se forma escribiendo el verbo en la forma normal. Play, play. Walk, walk. Eat, eat. Si es en cualquier otra forma. O sea, cuando único va a cambiar es añadiéndole una S cuando es singular, pero que no sea I. Singular como Sonia, mi mamá, my mom, my friend, mi amiga o mi amigo, o cuando es tercera persona singular, he, él, she, ella, it, ellos refiriéndose a un animal o una cosa. Okay? So let's see. Letter A. The neighbors sign, or the neighbors signs their names on a list. Remember, it has to be singular in order to add an S. So the neighbors, is it singular or plural? It's plural, right? So you're going to have to add the S. So it would be the neighbors sign. The neighbors sign their names on a list. Letter B. Sonia want, or Sonia wants to do even more. Again, Sonia, is that singular or plural? Because if it's singular, in the third person, we add the S. The letter S. It's singular, it's singular, so we add the letter S. Sonia wants to do even more. Letter C. The community give, or the community gives money to help fix the theater. Gives, ¿verdad? Porque the community is in singular, third person. Plural, third person. Singular. La comunidad gives. The community gives. Sorry. Letter D. Everyone read, or everyone reads the newspaper story. Everyone read the newspaper story. Everyone reads the newspaper story. Everyone reads with the S, with the letter S. And letter E. Sonia's mom and dad smile, or Sonia's mom and dad smiles when they watch Sonia cut the ribbon. Smile without the letter S. Sonia's mom and dad smile. ¿Por qué? Porque es plural. So, se queda igual. No le añadimos nada. La parte número 5 no tenemos que hacerla. Si tú la quieres hacer, la puedes hacer, pero no es necesario. Okay? So that means that now we're going to move on to our workbook. Okay? All right. So page 79 of the workbook. And we are almost done. All right. I remember I didn't show you the answers for this part, so here it is. All right. Now page 79 of the workbook. It's what we're going to be doing now. This is the last part of the class. Part 1 says, combine one word from each box and write the compound word. So vamos a unir palabras simples para formar compuestas. Okay? Vamos a trazar líneas y luego la vamos a escribir en la línea de al lado. Okay? We have star, letter A, star, letter B, home, letter C, paint, letter D, bed, and on the other side we have brush, work, time, fish. Let me see if I can put them here. All right, got it. Okay, so we have star. Do I say star brush, star work, star time, or starfish? Starfish. Ahora vas a tirar la línea y lo vas a escribir al ladito. Okay? Next up, we have letter B, home. Is it home brush, home work, home time? Homework, pretty easy, right? Draw the line, write it down. Letter C, paint. Is it paintbrush or paint time? Paintbrush. Draw the line, write it down. And letter D, bed. And we only have one word left, which is time. Bedtime, hora de dormir. Okay? Bedtime, draw the line, write it down. It should look like this. You have the lines, and then you have them written down. All right, part number 2. All right, part number 2 says circle the verbs and underline the compound words in the paragraph. So circulamos los verbos, subrayamos los compound words. Okay. I'm gonna read it once and then we're gonna go over it. Okay. Remember, if after I read it, you can stop the video, do it on your own, and then get back and check your answers. Follow the reading with me, please. I love my neighborhood. Every afternoon, I play with my friends, Sonia, Jack, and Peter. We ride our bicycles and play basketball, baseball, and volleyball. We also go swimming. We eat grapefruit, pineapple, and hot dogs, and we drink milkshakes at each other's houses. In the evenings, we enjoy the cool breeze. We look at the sky, the moon, and the stars, and we try to catch fireflies. All right, let's go over these words and see which ones are verbs, which ones are compound words. All right, let's see. First sentence says, I love my neighborhood. There's one verb, one compound word. I what? Love. That's the verb. Circle it. And the compound word would be neighborhood. Neighborhood. All right, next sentence says, every afternoon I play with my friends, Sonia, Jack, and Peter. There's, again, one verb, one compound word. What's the verb? Every afternoon I do what? Play. That's your verb. Pretty easy, right? And the compound word would be afternoon. Afternoon. So underline afternoon. Sorry. Next sentence says, we ride our bicycles and play basketball, baseball, and volleyball. There's two verbs, three compound words. What do we do with our bicycles? We ride, that would be your verb. And the other verb is play, obviously. So circle ride, circle play. Those are your two verbs. And then the compound words are what? Basketball, underline. Baseball, underline. Volleyball, underline. Very good. Pretty easy, right? Next sentence says, we also go swimming. There's two words that are... Sorry about that. Stay at home. Go swimming. Go swimming. Those are your two verbs. So circle those two, please. Next sentence says, we eat grapefruit, pineapple and hot dogs, and we drink milkshakes at each other's houses. So you have 2 verbs, 4 compound words. We eat, that's your verb, circle it. And we drink, that's another verb. Go ahead and circle it. Now, what are those 4 compound words? They're foods. Grapefruit, pineapple, hot dogs, milkshakes. Those are your 4 compound words, so go ahead and underline those. And last 2 sentences. In the evenings, we enjoy the cool breeze. We what? Enjoy. That's your action. Enjoy, disfrutar. And last sentence, we look at the sky, the moon, and the stars, and we try to catch fireflies. So you have 3 verbs and 1 compound word. Look, circle look, mirar. Try, tratar, circle try. Catch, atrapar. Yep, that's another verb. And then we have 1 compound word, which is fireflies. So go ahead and underline fireflies. That's your verb. Compound word, sorry. All right, so that is it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you have work behind, please make sure to send those evidences. I love you. I miss you. Take care. And I'll see you in the next video.